Hello and welcome to Sights and Sounds here in Costa Rica. This is Dominical Beach. Alright, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we are once again in Dominical, Puntarenas Province. See here, here's the Pacific Highway, the Trans-Pacific Highway. Right up here, here's the main entrance to Dominical. There's a river over here, it's pretty cool. Baru River. So we're going to be doing a little walking tour here through town, checking it out, seeing what we can see, and we'll end up right back at the beach. If this is your first time joining us here in Sights and Sounds, be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube. Like this video. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. And leave us a comment and share this video. 25% off?
Yes.
All right. Gracias.
This is $20
Oh,
made by my own hands.
your own hands. Perfect. Gracias. Check it out. Ruth.
Yes.
Ruth, okay. Mucho gusto. Okay, so check out Ruth. 25% off. Handmade dresses. Right here in Dominical. So Dominical is, we've been driving, we're doing a little Pacific tour here. You're probably going to drive a few hours at least to get down here to Dominical from the San Jose airport. But it's worth it, it's a pretty cool little spot, especially if you're into surfing. Lots of surf. The water here on the Pacific side is it's spicy. It's not the best for swimming, but if you're into surfing, it's definitely going to be up your alley. And this is a pretty cool little town, man. It's very quiet, very well kept. You know, the road's in great condition coming in here. Lots of cool little bars and shops, construction going on. So there's always development happening in these beach towns here. Lots of cool stuff. And it's very walkable too. There's lots of hotels right near the beach. There's hostels down there. So there's lots of accommodation options. And we're not too far from Quepos, Manuel Antonio. And the town of Uvita is about 30 minutes south of here. So stay tuned for a video on Uvita at the Whale Tail. There's Domi Plaza, so that's pretty cool. So there's a little plaza here and they got an old Volkswagen Bug posted up. Oh, this must be Ruth's old shop here. Handmade clothing. So check out Ruth. Check out Ruth when you're here in Dominical. And if you're coming to Dominical, leave us a comment. Let us know where you're staying, how your vacation goes when you're here. Any other places we should check out, any activities, destinations around here that are worthwhile. And the next time we come through, we'll definitely check those out. Oh, there's a church. Nice. Churches here in Costa Rica are always so cool to see. They're always got great architecture and done up really nice. So here's another handmade market with dresses, etc. Let's check it out. Cool, very nice dresses. I mean, not for me. Maybe. Are they comfy? Should I wear one? Here's a fresh bowl. Fresh bowls. Always love me some fresh bowls. Now here's a surf shop. Alright. I don't surf. I'm not coordinated enough to surf. But if you can surf, let me know. I've done lessons, I've done it all. It's not for me. I'm more of a walking and talking kind of guy. I do believe. Oh, here's yoga, pool. Nice. Nice little boutique spots. Craft brewery. If you're into drinking. Now we're here in May. It's raining, you can see it just rained. It's humid here, but it's nice, it's refreshing. It's not dry. It's worth visiting. So now I'm assuming these ones are close. These waterfalls. Catarata's there. And now if you're coming here, you know, definitely check on the map, right? Check on Google Maps for all these little boutique accommodations. Maybe get good pricing on those. Yo, here's a boutique hotel Tribe. All right, all right. There's a big cell phone tower, so you know you're gonna have good reception while you're here. And that might sound funny, but it is a consideration sometimes. In these smaller towns, you get zero reception. So now here's a split. This road kind of goes off towards, there's a surfing camp down that way, but we'll take this direction here. We'll go to the right. So that's the kind of car that crushes it in Costa Rica, especially in places like this. You can see the roads all pitted out, potholes, birds fighting. Oh wow, it actually got pretty intense there for a minute. They're still going. I'll leave them to it though. So yeah, the roads here they can go from paved to just this, right? So having a 4x4 with big tires, actually I wouldn't even say 4x4, just having big tires, like a lot of trucks aren't 4x4, but trucks do really well here, just the size of the wheels as you roll over these chonky roads. So now here's a little market going on up at the beach. And we're here on a weekday, so we're here Tuesday. Perhaps on weekends it gets a lot busier with everybody coming in from town. And it's so green here. Look at how green it is. It's really nice. You can feel the air coming off the ocean. Oh, there's some pollo sticks. Always delicious. Cool, a little cobblestone road here. And we've got a market. Lots of cool stuff to see. So check this out when you visit here in Dominical during your vacation. This is a really nice little walking path. Check out all this cool stuff. Lots of plushy toys. And there's people camping down here. I won't get too close just in case they're not too clothed. But you know, you can see people camping. That's super cool. People pulling up right to the beach in their cars and camping. That's always awesome. People having a barbecue down over here. And now here we are at the beach. Big waves. Now nobody's surfing today. As you can see from the drone videos, the water is kind of murky. I don't know if the wave breaking isn't the best right now, or if it's just super choppy. But nonetheless, people will come out here and watch people surf. So I see a red flag down there, so that's probably why nobody's surfing. There you have it. Dominical Beach right here in Puntarenas Province. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Turn on the bell notification. Leave us a comment with your questions, thoughts, requests. And share this video with somebody who needs a vacation here in Costa Rica.